Nakajingja sa penpat electronic voting machine EVM menhaka arpoi terik rempang araja arpusan haar kunhon gibri kibami thodur khman kar badang ya kajing Thep vote election MDC Shajante Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC ha South Lake polling station kata Tylli ha Wapungskur kabadai jong ke musnyang rangat constituency but Tylli pat ha Bataw kabadai jong ke Bataw lakadong constituency kibor penya district jong ke East Shajante Hills district kilapan Syrtap da gibor Pulit ban pahara ha kitegi polling station ha bala penlong kajing Thep vote Biang mentah ke Sngi ke arpu tarik rempang arja arpusan kajing Thep vote Biang hakini ki South Lake polling station kelas dang nadu kapor nyo beje menstamp badan penkut kapor sau beje janmit nakaliang Ushivans Awasti IAS Deputy Commissioner ke East Shajante Hills District habawan jurep ikitegi polling station ulayat hu ba kajing Thep vote hadu mentah kala yat bed lingba kajing penbiang bungut ki Pulit pahara nalor bala pentrai kam ya ka curfew hakasnong Wapungskur bat Bataw Ulayat huru bagi bor punya district kila long kiba penkre bante lakam ladami kenu kajing ja penkulmar. USP ke East Shajante Hills District Ugiri Prasad IPS ulaong bagi jing toket kadang yat sekmat ya kibadon keti penpat EVM haka Sngi baladam. Ulaong bagi bor pahara kila perking bah haki polling station Wapungskur A but B but polling station Bataw A but B polling station kenang baga jing Thep vote kan long kebayat ben kat kum ki kendon ka an bat ki briru kitla ban Thep vote klam kanu kajing sya penthun.
And our investigation is on. But today our priority remains that we provide high security to Bataw A and B and Wapungskur A and B polling stations so that the election happens transparently as per the guidelines and there is no law and order situation and people are able to vote without any influence or anything. Yes, we have got almost 70 personnel deployed for Wapungskur A and B together, then along 40 personnel for Bataw A and B together. Along with that we have women constables also for women polling stations deployed.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya